our very own teamLab phenomena right here in the UAE. And Blue Rhine Industries is so proud to be able to be a part of this project where innovation meets art. So when I say art meets innovation, this project is a perfect example of that. And when it comes to projects where you have complicated structures with interesting screens in the combination with that, that's where we excel as Blue Rhine Industries. These massive megaliths, which are very intricate in detail because they're not only in an angle, so the entire structure has to be tilted with a counterweight so that it doesn't tip over, and then all the LED screens have to be mounted onto the structure with a minimal gap, especially when it comes to the edges, which are chamfered. So we love to be challenged and we like to be pushed to do something that is different that no one else has done. And this project is a perfect example of that. We are very thankful to ALEC Technologies for choosing us to do the megaliths. And having been able to work with teamLab, a company that I've been following over so many years, our entire team was so passionately involved in this project to make this a reality. I want to say thank you to everybody within Blue Rhine, our client and teamLab for making this journey such a pleasurable one.